If you want to get the iOS launcher on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, to do so first we need to download it from the Play Store. So we're gonna search for iOS launcher. You should be able to find multiple different apps that provide the iOS feeling or the design. In my case, I'm gonna use this one over here. Of course, feel free to try anything else if you wish to. Once downloaded, let's open it, and I'm gonna show you how to configure the app and how to go through the initial configuration pretty much. Of course, you might see some ads in the meantime since this is the free version, but it is free, so you should be able to use it. So first we need to select the preferred language. In my case, I'm gonna choose English, and then we can press continue. There we go. Now let's press next several times and then get started. We can select a new wallpaper that we want to set. So for example, let's maybe choose this one. We can also skip this, so I'm gonna actually skip the change for wallpaper. You will see the premium package offer. Of course, we can press continue with free version with ads. Of course, we have an ad, so let's wait for the ad to be closed. There we go. And soon we should be able to see the iOS design on our phone. There we go. We have tap on screen to start explore. There we go. We can also set our iOS design to be used by default by pressing set as default. But I'm gonna actually do this later. Over here we can read that some features of this launcher, we need to set it as the default app, but I'm gonna just ignore it. We also have the blur effect issue since it's available or occurs after Android 13, so of course we cannot really use it. And there we go. We have the iOS design on our phone. As you can see, we also have the app library. And that is essentially it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!